time to put the table together. So pop out the pieces, and then using our wood glue, there's a little bit there, you're going to glue the legs so they're straight and equidistant. It's a very, very basic table, designed as a specific width. I'll stick that down and place that piece there, and then I'm going to get these legs and take this piece off. As you can see, and as you know probably by now, I love Lego for holding pieces in place. You can be generous with the glue always, because when it dries transparent and also scrapes off really, really well, really effectively. I'm going to place that there. So it's got a little something to lean on. A little something to lean on there. And you basically leave that to dry. Happy days, pop it away.